exposing the secrets behind closed Cash App accounts and how to get yours back. Fast. Cash App can close accounts for several reasons: violating terms, suspicious activity, or even inactivity. But don't worry, here's how to reopen it. First, check for notifications from Cash App. They might explain why your account was closed. Next, contact Cash App support. Open the app, tap your profile icon, then Support, something else, and look for account settings. No app access? Visit the Cash App Help Center online. When contacting support, explain your situation clearly. Provide your cash tag, phone number, and email. If you think it was an error, say so and provide any proof. Be ready to verify your identity, like your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. And remember, patience is key. The process can take up to 30 days. Need to withdraw your funds? Go to the Money tab, select Cash Out, and follow the prompts. Stay calm, follow these steps, and you'll be back on Cash App in no time.